Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make great Instagram Reels with Canva. Alright, let's begin. First, open Canva and sign into your account. Click Create a Design, then search for Instagram Reel and select the template with the correct vertical dimensions. Next, add at least 4 pages to your project. If you can't do it at the start, just wait till you add content and you will be able to add pages. Now, upload your own photos or choose images from Canva's library. Drag one image onto each page and arrange them however you like. For the best results, use images with a similar color palette or style to keep your reel looking consistent. After adding your images, click between each page and select Add Transition. Choose a transition effect that matches your style, such as color wipe, then adjust the speed and direction until you're happy with the animation. Once you've found a transition you like, click Apply to All, so every scene uses the same effect. Finally, preview your reel to make sure everything flows smoothly. If needed, reposition images or adjust the timing before exporting. So that's basically how you can make great Instagram Reels with Canva. That's it for this video. Thanks!